Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel where we are going to discuss about the forecast of Nifty for next week. That is the first week of June series. Before even going into our analysis, uh, last week itself we have analyzed through our charts saying that Nifty is forming higher tops and higher bottoms, especially higher bottoms on daily time frame, which means the downside is getting shifted slowly on the higher side. Earlier it was 15,670, then it came to 15,730, then it came to 15,780, then it came to 15,800. Likewise, it has been shifting on the higher side, the downside supports. So we have almost predicted to an extent that Nifty will go at least towards 16,200 till May expiry. That exactly perform. Okay, almost we are done with the target, but 12 points short of the target, I guess. 16,188 was the high on expiry day. Okay. Now I have a request for the new members who are part of this channel and viewing this video for the first time. Please do subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. You will get all our updates, forecasts during the previous weekend itself for the next week, so that it will be helpful for you. And if you like our videos and if you find that this videos will help your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets, please do our share our videos or channel link to your friends and relatives. Now let's move on to the analysis for the upcoming week. For this, I have opened Nifty charts, the same charts which I have opened, which we have discussed during last week. In the last week, we have said that this is a uh, a triangle kind of formation where the lower end is getting increased, and we have predicted that there are good chances that we could test the lower end and then climb on the higher side to test the higher end as well. That is what exactly happened. It came below, came down, and almost came near maybe 100 points short of the lower zone, and then climbed on the higher side, and it gave a breakout on the higher side. Breakout in the sense it broke out of the contracting triangle pattern. Okay, now the next level, next resistance for Nifty will be the recent high which has been made, that is 16,485 odd levels. That will be the next resistance to cross. This chart is on 3 hours time frame, and the moving averages which I have drawn over here is 13 and 26, which you need not worry about it. Just look at the pattern. It is a W kind of pattern from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. First W is completed, and then the second W from here to here, here to here, here to here, and now here. This W is almost completed, but it will exactly get completed when it reaches this zone, 16,400 zones. Now looking at the Singapore Nifty, we are set to have a gap up opening on Monday where we will touch the 16,400 levels. As I said earlier, the next resistance comes at 16,485 odd levels. Now remember, Singapore Nifty closes at 11:30 p.m. IST, whereas Nasdaq closes at 1:30 a.m. IST. When Singapore Nifty closed at 98 points at 11:30 p.m., Nasdaq was hovering around 290 points in green. So 100 points move of Nasdaq is yet to get factored in Nifty, which means on Monday we may have another 30 points added to this at opening in Nifty. Maybe 120 points, 130 points kind of cap up opening. Now coming back to the charts of Nifty, if that level comes, obviously this straight W is getting completed, and then the resistance comes over here. First attempt of crossing this resistance is a 50-50 kind of stuff, where it can take a halt, come down, and then come down, try to test this earlier breakout zones, and then reclaim again. That is what will happen majority of the times. So let's assume that if it takes a halt over here and then comes down, where it can take support. That is a crucial question which is very tough to answer right now, but I will give you an answer. Let me convert this into a daily chart. Okay, so I will open my default setup where I have put all my moving averages in place. Yeah, this is my default setup, and over here also see this this black line which we have, this middle line of the Bollinger Band, that is the 20 moving average. So we closed about 20 moving average on Friday. Now if you ask me where it can take support from 16,460 or 80 odd levels, if Nifty starts falling, where it can take support, probable support, if you ask me, I would say the 20 DMA will be the initial support. Before that also, it can take support around this falling trend line kind of stuff and then climb. But there are bright chances it will come and test the 16,277. This has been overridden here. Let me figure out you exactly. Yeah, if I have a crosshair like this, yeah, it is 16,290 odd levels. That is the place where Nifty can take support and then climb on the higher side. I have discussed with you multiple times about 1, 2, 3 pattern. Nifty has formed a 1, 2, 3 pattern in last 3 days on daily time frame. And within this 3 days, stochastic has climbed up very steeply. Same way MACD has given a crossover. RSI has also given a steep rise. So if this is going to be the setup, damn sure that we are going to make an attempt to test the resistance first, and then on the second attempt we could try to even break out the resistance which is at 16,485. Okay, so over here I have marked it as trend lines. This particular line is your immediate resistance zone, and two closes above 20 moving average will turn the entire sentiment of markets. Earlier we were saying about sell on rise kind of market, right? Now it will become a buy on dips kind of market. So we have already closed on Friday once above 20 moving average. Now on Monday also, if we are closing above the 20 moving average, which is 16,290, forget about green or red close, don't worry about it. Even if we are closing above 16,290, we will definitely march on the higher side. If you ask me in probability terms or in percentage terms, there are 80% probabilities that we will march on the higher side and the market trend will change from sell on rise to buy on dips kind of market post Monday close. The only scenario it will become sell on rise again will be if Nifty closes below the 20 moving average, which is 16,290. So based on this, what kind of call we can, what kind of trade we can take? I can recommend you one trade, but that one trade should not be taken in a hurry. You need to wait for a dip and then only you are supposed to take a trade. Okay. As I said earlier, Monday it is going to be a gap up opening and it is going to open straight away above 16,430 levels, 430 or even 440 also. Okay. So if such kind of situation happens, don't do anything, just stay quiet. Add 16,400 as well as 16,300 call in your watch list. Both of them, both you can add in your watch list. You need to take position only when Nifty drops towards this falling trend line. This falling trend line. So if you ask me, so somewhere around 16,300 to 16,290, which is exactly almost about the 200 moving average. Okay, 16,290 to 16,300. When Nifty falls towards that zone, you may take a 16,300 call or 16,400 call as per your fund availability. And don't go with multiple lots. I always recommend to take only one lot. Okay, and what will be the stop loss for this trade? The earlier breakout zones. What is the earlier breakout zones? 16,200. By any chance, if Nifty closes below 16,200, maybe on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, you are supposed to exit your position by booking losses. On the other hand, if it is not, going and breaking 16,200, definitely you will get minimum 30% to 40% returns within the week, within the expiry. Okay. So this is the only trade which I can give you right now. Let me do one, repeat the trades once again. When Nifty opens gap up on Monday, just stay calm, don't do anything. When it drifts towards or falls towards 16,290 to 16,300, which is the 20 moving average and the support right now, when it comes towards that level, you may take a 16,400 call or 16,300 call, which as per your fund availability. And the stop loss for this particular trade will be 16,200 Nifty spot on closing basis. If it closes below that particular level, you are supposed to exit, or else you can hold on to your position and book 30 to 40% profits or whenever you are happy. Hope I have explained the call and the condition twice very clearly. So probably you need to follow the rule and just go with one lot as I suggested. We are done with our analysis. Now, in the description of this particular video, I will add all our Telegram channel links. If you are not part of our Telegram channel, please do join our Telegram channel and stay over here. In YouTube, you will get forecasts only during the weekend, and we will be live in market throughout the day in Telegram. Even in YouTube live session also, we are currently doing only from 9 to 11 or 9 to 12 because of the less participation from members. If you people are ready to join the YouTube live sessions between market hours, I am ready to even have the YouTube live session still market close, that is 3:30 p.m. It all depends on you guys. You need to decide whether to participate or not. We are ending this video. Let me do some analysis about Bank Nifty and then post another video for the forecast of Bank Nifty for the upcoming week. For now, bye everyone. Have a good day. See you all in the next video.